When you look at the night sky, you are not just seeing stars. You are looking at a time machine made of light, distance, and impossible scale. Sunlight needs about 8 minutes to reach Earth, so if the sun vanished right now, we would not know it immediately. Our planet feels enormous, but from space Earth is only a small blue sphere wrapped in an extremely thin layer of air. That atmosphere is so thin that from far away it looks like a delicate blue line. And that narrow line keeps all life on Earth alive. About 1.3 million Earths could fit inside the sun, and even then, our sun is still just a fairly ordinary star. The Milky Way probably contains hundreds of billions of stars. Our sun is only a tiny point inside that massive spiral galaxy. And now it gets even stranger. Our galaxy is only one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. On Venus, one day lasts longer than 1 year. The planet rotates so slowly that one full spin takes longer than one trip around the sun. On Jupiter, a storm larger than Earth has been raging for centuries. That giant system of clouds is called the Great Red Spot. Saturn looks calm and elegant, but it is a gas giant with no solid surface like Earth. You could not simply land there and stand. Mars probably had rivers, lakes, and maybe even an ocean in the distant past. Today it is dry, cold, and quiet, but the surface still remembers water. Our moon moves away from Earth by about 3.8 centimeters every year. It is slowly leaving us, even though we never notice it in daily life. Some stars are so dense that a spoonful of their material would weigh billions of tons. These objects are called neutron stars. Black holes are not cosmic vacuum cleaners that pull in everything, but their gravity is so extreme that even light cannot escape their innermost region. If a black hole lies between us and a source of light, it can bend that light. In that moment, the universe behaves like a giant optical lens. There are planets where glass could fly sideways through the atmosphere, driven by brutal heat and extreme winds. There are also worlds where a sunrise like the one on Earth may never happen because the same side always faces the star. The more we learn about space, the smaller everyday life begins to feel. And that is exactly why the universe feels both beautiful and unsettling. Because among all these stars, planets, and galaxies, our Earth still exists. Small, fragile, bright, and astonishingly alive. And maybe that is the most fascinating fact of all. In an almost endless universe, we know of only one place where life is definitely known to exist. And that place is not somewhere far away. It is the planet beneath your feet. Which fact surprised you the most? Write it in the comments.